We have a nice opportunity to look at the three most common surface textures offered on our box beams and trim packages at Pennsylvania Sawmill Company. First and foremost, you'll see this piece of 1x4 trim, and you'll also see this box beam sample that's going to go out. And this features our planed smooth, which is sort of a base finish. Plain smooth is just like it sounds. We plane it smooth and then we sand it, so you're really reading the stain and the grain once you stain it or once we stain it for you. Once clear coat goes on, it's pretty much easy to keep clean and neutral enough to blend with most textures in a project. Second, we've got our skip sanding. And skip sanding, where this is smooth and a little bit tighter grain pattern that you'll read, this you'll actually read the texture of the milling a little bit more. So we start with a rough sawn board, and then we don't go too hard, but we take the milling fur down with a rough grit sandpaper, so you'll still see the radial mark of our circle milling, which is a little unique to our products. So this is our skip sanding. Because this tends to be a little tighter grain and this tends to be a little bit more open, if you use the same stain on this, it will tend to read darker on this. So skip sanding will tend to be a little bit darker and also have some highlights in it. And last but not least, we offer our hatchet distressing pattern, and we just use an S-swing hatchet and put a little bit of a rusticating finish on it. You'll see this is light hatchet distressed, and that can be applied both to a plain smooth and also to a skip sanded beam. So easy way to see our plain smooth, our skip sanded down here also, and our hatchet distressing finish on our box beams and trim at Pennsylvania Sawmill Company.